Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Nutrex subscription. Okay, so basically when you make a purchase of any product on this platform like Nutrex research, when you buy supplements, and if you want to save your money and if you want repeated deliveries and if you've taken any subscription, so how you can cancel your subscription. So basically before cancellation you need to keep something in your mind. Basically if you have any 1 month subscription, or you can like every month repeated subscription, then you can easily cancel your subscription. If you are repeated, if you are you can like frequency of repeated months, like if you want like every month, every 3 month subscription, every 6 month subscription, so it's little bit hard to cancel until your you can like commitment period is over. So basically how you can identify your subscription, so when you can like I will also tell you like how you can find this thing. But yes, you can cancel your subscription, but the only time when the subscription can't be cancelled is if you start a subscription which required a certain number of payments. I maybe like we can say if you subscribe for 3 payments or 6 payments, until your 3 payments will not complete, you are not able to cancel your subscription. If you subscribe only for every month subscription, when your 1 payment is complete, you can easily cancel your subscription. Okay, so the thing how you can cancel, basically when you purchase your product, they will provide you a link in your email. You will receive a magic link. By using the same link, you can cancel your subscription. When you use the link, and they will redirect you on this kind of page. On this kind of page you will see your each and everything related to your subscription, like created date and repeated every month. So in this case, this is only for one time payment, or you can say like this is only for 1 payment. When it complete 1 payment, you can easily cancel your subscription. Okay, in your case maybe it for every 2 months, every 3 months, it depends on subscription to subscription. Okay, so you can see each and everything, and in the end you can see there is a button like cancel my subscription. You can choose this button and you can cancel your subscription. And if you are facing any issue, you are not able to do this thing, what you can do, you can contact with their customer support team. So I will provide you phone number in our video description box. You can find the phone number and you can call their customer support team and you can get help related to cancellation. And the phone numbers are available Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, you can dial their number and you can tell them that you wish to cancel your subscription. And if we talk about like other method, that is like you can also send them an email format. You can see over on your screen. You need to compose an email. In the email you need to provide each and everything related to your subscription, but make sure provide this email at least 3 to 5 business days prior to your next billing date. Okay, and in the email you need to provide your name, your account number, your email ID, and your subscription starting date. If you know anything about your subscription, you need to provide details for verification purpose. And in the subject box you need to write you want to cancel your subscription. And once you complete this email, you need to ask a proof of cancellation also in the end of the email. And once you done each and everything, you need to send this email at info@nutrix.com. info@nutrix.com. You need to send this email at this email address, and once they receive your email, okay, they will reply you related to your cancellation process. Okay, cancellation progress. And once you get proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is cancelled. If you don't get any email related to cancellation, it means your account is active, your subscription is active, and you need to keep in touch related to cancellation. Okay, so this is the method by which you can cancel your Nutrex subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.